Okay, so this is something I've been working on a little bit recently. It's Another World, running on the Game Boy Color. So Another World's an interesting game. Came out in 1991 originally, and has been ported to a whole lot of other systems. It's quite interesting that it has its own wee VM that runs everything basically. So it's got the VM has about 26 different opcodes, 256 16-bit variables. That's about it. There's no registers or flags or other RAM. There's a stack which is just used for calls and returns, and it also supports cooperative multitasking basically with up to 64 different tasks. And that's about it. So the opcodes can do all the usual stuff like adds and shifts and calls, conditional jumps and returns. And there's also special ones which can draw polygons, play sounds and copy frame buffers around. It's actually 4 different frame buffers, and the way it works is it'll draw a whole lot of polygons on one of the frame buffers, and then on each frame it'll copy one of these existing frame buffers and draw a set of new polygons on top, and then copy that frame buffer to the screen, and then on the next frame it'll just take a fresh copy of the frame buffer and draw more polygons on top again. There's a few artifacts you can see in the intro because it's only wireframe, like the mouse cursor, and also I'm not handling the polygon zoom that's used when he walks into the scanner. So yeah, it seems to work alright. It's obviously just a wireframe at the moment. Everything's just treated as a black line, but eventually if we could get filled polygons with some sort of shading working, that would be quite cool. I don't know what the frame rate would be like though. Yeah, so all this VM code fits into the first 16 kilobyte bank, and then we switch into the next 16 kilobytes, all the other data from the game. So there's 1 ROM bank worth of bytecode for this intro, and then 4 banks of polygon data, and also some palettes, which I'm not using yet. So yeah, probably about six banks in total just for the intro. Yeah, so that's about it for now. Thanks for watching, and catch you later.